crotch.
You're a gay nerd.
You have sandy crotch.
You're a gay nerd.
You have a sandy crotch. You're recording us right now, aren't you?
Maybe.
Yeah.
You're a gay nerd.
You're lame. And you have a sandy crotch.
You have a sandy crotch?
You have a sandy crotch.
You have a sandy crotch.
I'm not the one wearing a dress, you skank.
You've got sand in your pants.
You have sand in your underpants.
You're a gay nerd.
You have a sandy crotch.
You're a gay nerd.
Stop.
I love how this is focusing, like, not at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I was flipping the camera all around so everybody gets sick when they watch this.
Who's gonna watch it besides me and you?
Everybody who watches my bulletin.